Welcome to this course page, great to have you here. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and this is my Progressive Web Apps course. Now, progressive web apps are a super important topic these days, and it's a topic which is here to stay. Progressive web apps in the end is just a term summarizing a couple of different technologies, turning your existing web pages, web applications into native mobile app-like experiences. This includes things like accessing the camera, but mostly things like offline functionality, so that your web app works even without internet, or the user is even able to post data to servers without internet. How that works? We're going to cover that in this course. Now, in this course, you're not only going to learn what a progressive web app is and why you might want to build progressive web apps instead of normal web apps, but of course, you'll also take all that knowledge and put it into a real project. As we cover new features throughout the course, we will gradually add them to our course project, a progressive Instagram clone. By the end of the course, we'll have a clone where we can take pictures, get the user location, post it to a server even if we have no internet connection, work with the app in general without an internet connection, and add our application to our mobile device home screen. Sounds amazing? It is, and I can't wait to welcome you in this course. Now, I'm a professional freelance developer and I work with progressive web apps for quite some time already. I can tell you, there's never been a better time to get started with them. Browser support is pretty decent already, and in this course you will even learn how to build your application in a way that it takes advantage of all new features in modern browsers, while it still works fine in older browsers too. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'd be more than happy to welcome you in this course, and I can't wait to get started together with you.